Terry back with you today. So I'm here today to draw the winner of our giveaway that we should have drawn in July, picking a video from June. So we're still playing catch up with our giveaways, but we will get there. Now, if you're new to our channel and you don't know how our giveaways work, each month we select one of our videos from the previous month and all of the comments on that video go into the draw to win a prize. Today, the prize is going to be 5 $10 digital gift vouchers to purchase digital product from our shop. The video that I have chosen from June is Mum's Scrap Buster Butterflies, where she used her scraps to make some pretty butterflies. So we had 54 comments on that video, so let's go ahead and start drawing our winners. Our first winner is Lucy-R6Y3K. Our next winner is Catherine Fletcher 466. Our third winner is Sew Paper Crafts. Our fourth winner is TBRC Spirit. And our last winner for today is Margot Bigelow 5683. So congratulations to all of our winners. You'll find our email address in the description box below. If you could just send us an email and we will organise to get you your $10 digital gift voucher. And for everybody else, thank you so much for continuing to comment and like our videos. It does help a lot more than you would believe. Don't worry if you didn't win, there will always be another chance next month. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you again next time. Bye.